Hi everyone, welcome to EduTap and welcome to this video. So guys, in this video I'm going to talk about who should apply for NABARD Grade A examination. We know that many of you out there think कि यार NABARD Grade A का examination देना चाहिए, but there is a lot of self doubt regarding कि मैं इसमें ठीक नहीं हूँ, ये अच्छा नहीं है, मेरा ये weak है, ये strong नहीं है, right? So in this video I'm going to tell you actually what you require to crack this NABARD Grade A examination, and if you have these qualities or if you can develop these skill set, then obviously this is one of the very good opportunity for you also. So guys, we are going to talk all about that in this video, but before starting I have a request that if you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you want to join us and if you want to download the informative PDF regarding NABARD and NABARD examination, you can join us on our Telegram channel. So with that, let's start our today's video. So guys, we are going to talk about today what all is required for NABARD Grade A examination, right? What all a candidate should see, a candidate should have to crack this NABARD Grade A examination, right? So we'll talk about the skill set or the qualities that is required for the examination, as well as what all you can expect from this job. Okay, now once you are in the job, okay, so what all you are going to get, what all you can expect, that we are going to discuss, so that ऐसा ना हो कि आपको 4-5 साल बाद ऐसा feel हो कि I am not in the right place. Okay, this is not what I have to do, right? So this is the agenda of this video, and I hope through this video you will get the clarity ki what is actually required for this examination. So guys, talking about the qualities, okay, first of all I would say this is not a quality, but this is a clarity, I would say, that you should have. Okay, you should have the clarity that why you want to join NABARD, because if you are joining any organization, any institution, you should know what is the work of that institution, what that institute does, and what is your role. Okay, when you will join, what you are going to do there. So that is very important. So first you should do all this kind of research, and then you should think whether you want to go for NABARD or not. Okay, you should not feel this thing after 4-5 years of joining NABARD, because that is going to develop a lot of feeling of regret, and that is not a good feeling, right? So first do research at your end, what is NABARD, what is all about NABARD, then see what is your profile if you join as a NABARD Grade A officer, what is your day-to-day life, and then decide whether you want to go for NABARD or not, right? So guys, first have this clarity. Next, you should have the learning ability. Okay, we all have this learning ability. It's not like that this is something which you have to do extra, or you have to practice something. We have this learning ability, but what I mean by saying learning ability is that you should be able to memorize the thing. Because in NABARD, if you see the pattern, we have 8 subjects in phase 1, and in phase 2 we have descriptive answer writing. Again there is ESI, ARD, then we have English also. So there you should have this capability of learning things. Okay, if I talk about especially current affair, so we have a vast current affair. We have to read all schemes related to ESI, then agriculture schemes, agriculture report, ESI report, all relevant current affair regarding ESI and ARD, right? So you should have this ability to memorize the thing, and I don't think it's a very big task. If anyone will do revision, if I feel like okay, I'm not good at memorizing the thing, so what I'll do revision. If I can do multiple revision of same thing, I can memorize the thing, and I can have this ability to memorize thing. And because what all you are going to memorize is going to help you in examination, then only you will remember thing and you can mark the correct answer. Okay, so memorizing the thing is very important for this examination. You should have the ability to memorize the data, memorize all kind of schemes, all kind of content regarding all kind of subject, right? ARD static is again, you have to remember many things in ARD static again there. So yes, and I don't think this is a very big task. If anyone can do multiple revision, they can easily learn things, right? Next, the another thing which people think, like I'm not from agriculture background and this is not my cup of tea, right? See, it's not like that. Being from non-agriculture background is also different thing. Like, see, you are not from agriculture background, but it might be like you have done economics, you have read economics in your earlier preparation, or you know what is economics. So if you are not good in agriculture, you are good in ESI. Same is with the agriculture student. They are good in agriculture, but they are not good in ESI. So I think it is quite balanced thing, right? And if you feel like कि agriculture वालों को preference मिलेगी या agriculture वालों को ज़्यादा weightage मिलेगा, then it's not like that. Okay, NABARD itself have multiple departments. Okay, they themselves require people from agriculture background, people from IT background, people from each kind of background. Okay, so there is a place for each and every one, and that is why based on that only they have set the eligibility criteria. अगर नबार्ड को एग्रीकल्चर वाले ही बच्चे चाहिए थे, देन दे शुड हैव उन्होंने एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया ही वही रखा होता, राइट? बट एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया है, इफ यू आर एलिजिबल, यू हैव दैट डिग्री, देन यू आर इक्वली इंपॉर्टेंट एंड यू कैन इक्वली टेक पार्ट इन दिस एग्जामिनेशन, राइट? सो डोंट हैव दिस थिंग इन योर माइंड दैट आई एम नॉट फ्रॉम एग्रीकल्चर बैकग्राउंड, इट इज नॉट फॉर मी, आई हैव टू डू एग्रीकल्चर. सी, यू हैव टू लर्न एग्रीकल्चर, you will have to have a rural exposure. Okay, आपको रूरल एरियाज में थोड़ा सा भेजा जाएगा एक्सपोजर के लिए, बट वो चीज आपको यहाँ क्लियर करनी है. When you will decide why you want to join NABARD, then you have to decide कि okay, it is for you or not. Okay, अगर एग्रीकल्चर पढ़ने की बात हो गई, ARD पढ़ने की बात हो गई, then again, multiple revision, you can memorize things by doing multiple revision. You can understand. If you will do 2-3 revision of ARD static, I would say you will have the hold of the subject. Okay, it's not like that. It's very different or very unique subject. It might be boring from for some people initially, but with time it will become interesting and you will understand. You will have that understanding of subject. Clear? Now, few think that we should be excellent in quants and reasoning. So students, see, quants and reasoning, if अगर ये मैं बात कुछ साल पहले करी होती तो I would say कि yes, quants and reasoning count होता है, आपको quants and reasoning अच्छे से करनी है. But now NABARD has changed the pattern also. The quant and reasoning are the part of non-merit section. Means here you have to only qualify the minimum cutoff. तो अब ऐसा नहीं है आपको क्वांट्स में पूरे नंबर लाने हैं, रीजनिंग में पूरे नंबर लाने हैं. यू हैव टू स्कोर दैट मिनिमम दैट यू कैन clear the minimum cutoff of each subject of quant and reasoning. So जो aspirant are from agriculture background or from the bio background or from the botany or zoology background, जिनको लगता है quant reasoning difficult है, उनको मैं बता दूं that you have to only focus on important topics, and if you can practice those important topics, you can easily clear out the cutoff of quant and reasoning for NABARD examination. Okay, now another thing which we see in students is they feel that they should be fluent in English. Okay, they should excel in English, but it's not like that. NABARD में जो English आती है, I agree, for examination part, means for doing English part, for doing descriptive English part, you should have the basic knowledge. You should know what is what are the grammatical rules for doing the question of objective type. If you are writing an answer, you should know what is the structure of essay. You should know how to frame correct sentence. Grammatical mistakes should not be there. Spelling mistakes should not be there. But it's not like that they require from you that you should be fluent in English. Okay, if you are from Hindi medium background, okay, if you have you don't have that fluency in English and you are लेस कॉन्फिडेंट रिगार्डिंग योर इंटरव्यू, सो ऐसा नहीं है कि अगर इंग्लिश में आप जवाब दोगे तो इंटरव्यू में आपको ज़्यादा नंबर मिलेंगे. ओके, यू कैन टेक योर इंटरव्यू इन हिंदी. इट्स लाइक दैट वे ऑफ प्रेजेंटेशन, आपकी जो बात है उसमें कितना वजन है, ठीक है? सो अगर आप हिंदी में इंटरव्यू दे सकते हो, यू कैन गो फॉर हिंदी एज वेल. इट्स जस्ट दैट जो आप बात बोल रहे हो उसकी कितनी वैल्यू है, दैट इज इंपॉर्टेंट, राइट? सो दैट यू हैव टू क्लियर फ्रॉम योर माइंड दैट आपको सिर्फ अगर आप बेसिक इंग्लिश की नॉलेज रखते हो, दैट यू कैन solve the questions, you can write the essay, then that is all what is required from you. It's not like that you should be fluent in English as well. Okay, so these are the qualities that I think are important for this examination, and if you can develop all these quality, if you feel ki I lack some qualities or I have this thing or I have that fear, okay, if you feel इनमें से भी कुछ भी चीज़ आपको doubtful है, so आप उस पर काम कर सकते हो, and again you can have this opportunity of NABARD grade, being a NABARD grade A officer. Now let me talk about that what all you can expect from NABARD grade A job, because that is also another very important thing. ठीक है, हमने आपको बता दिया कि आप ऐसे कर सकते हो, ये पढ़ सकते हो, बहुत अच्छी जॉब है, बट जॉब के बाद का क्या, राइट? दैट इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, बिकॉज इफ यू आर गोइंग टू ज्वाइन एनी इंस्टीट्यूशन, एनी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, you should know what you can expect from there, right? So very first thing that I think major of the people look for is good CTC. So NABARD has around, NABARD has a good CTC of around more than 20 LPA, so which I think is very attractive and quite decent. Okay, बहुत अच्छा CTC है, around 20 to more than 20 I think is LPA is the CTC. और इतना in hand salary I cannot say, because I don't know what is in hand salary, but good, it is a decent amount of CTC that you get. ठीक है, कोई भी है, कोई भी जॉब करने से पहले हम लोग ये देखते हैं सैलरी कितनी है, राइट? तो इट इज अ वेरी डिसेंट अमाउंट. देन वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस की अगर बात करें NABARD में, दैट इज वेरी गुड. ओके, NABARD provide a very good work-life balance. They give you the vacation, they plan trips for you, they plan picnics for you. There are parties, there are gatherings. So a very good work-life balance you can expect from NABARD, as well as NABARD have quarters also. You get the residential area also. You can live with your family, and they are in the metro cities. Okay, usually the headquarters or the offices of NABARD are in the metro cities. So you get to live in a very good place. It's not like that you rural and agriculture areas में ही आपको रहना है, तो आप बहुत अच्छे खासे जगह में रहते हो, तो family wise, work wise, professionally, personally, it is very good. Okay, work life balance is very good here. Then if I talk about stability, stability is also one of the important factor. Okay, so NABARD is a government job, you get a stable job. Okay, it's not like that they are going to kick you out after some time. You have the stability right there. Okay, you can if you can perform better, then you have the growth opportunities as well. Next we have is the opportunity of higher education. See students, it's not like that you have done your graduation. I know minimum qualification for NABARD is graduation, and if you want to pursue higher education after joining NABARD, you cannot do it. Okay, NABARD provide a platform. NABARD, they promote and they encourage their employees that if they want to go for higher education, they can go for it. They give you the education leave, they give you the funding also, part I think. So it's totally on you if you want to go for your higher education. So being a part of NABARD also, you can complete your higher education as well. So I think that's very rare which is seen in the government sector, right? So if any government sector, any organization is providing you that platform, then that you should take that opportunity, right? Next is career growth, very important. Okay, if you become a part of NABARD, then what is your career growth? See, in NABARD, once you joined as a grade A officer, after 3-4 years, you will become grade B officer. Okay, then after 3-4 years with few interviews, few tests, you can climb that stair of promotions, and you can become ultimately the CGM, that is Chief General Manager of NABARD. And this one Chief General Manager of NABARD look after the entire state. Okay, so that is the career growth which you can expect for yourself. Okay, and it is a very good job, and career growth opportunities immense in NABARD. If you work well, if you can showcase your skill set, if you prove that to the organization, no, I am the one, I am the leader, or I can lead something, I have the extra potential to do this thing, then obviously they are going to give you promotions, and these promotions are occurring every 4 to 5 years, and after giving the interview, you can be promoted to next level. Okay, so I think all these things, all these factors, which I think is very important, which you should know and you should expect from any organization. And NABARD is giving you a very good personal and professional growth, right? It is giving you good work-life balance. It is giving you a very professional growth as well. So with this, I feel like NABARD is a very good organization, and if you feel like I have this ability to crack this examination, to be the part of this particular beautiful organization, then you should go for this opportunity. So students, with that, I have come to the end of this video, but before ending, I have an announcement that if still there are some questions you wanted to know about NABARD and NABARD organization, we have launched a guidebook for you. You can take the help of this guidebook and, okay, you can take the help of this guidebook, and this guidebook will provide you all the information regarding NABARD and NABARD organization. And if you want to know about the previous year portion of this NABARD Grade A exam and syllabus, that is also provided here. Also with that, you will get strategy and resources to crack this NABARD Grade A examination. So students, this guidebook is of great help. If you want to download it, you have to just go to the description box, click on the link, register yourself, and avail this guidebook for yourself. So with that, let's end this video, and I wanted to just quickly tell you about our courses. So we have Gold Pack and Silver Pack. In Gold Pack, we provide the material for phase 1, phase 2 and interview preparation. In Silver Pack, you get the material for phase 2 and interview preparation, but ESI, ERD and GA, which is integrated with phase 2, you will get for the phase 1 as well, right? So we have 2 courses. If you want to prepare with us, you can refer to these courses. So that's all. I hope you have enjoyed. Thank you so much.